to today's Daily Splatt, and today, some sad news, I suppose, if you're a fan of the typewriter, because it has finally, well, died, essentially. The typewriter is gone, and hopefully not to be forgotten, though. Yes, the last company that was still producing typewriters, called Godrej and Boyce, have shut down their production plant in Mumbai, in India, and so that means that there are no more typewriters being produced anywhere in the world, and so that's it. It's lasted a long time, you know. I mean, it's outlived the floppy disk in terms of things being produced, but I'm afraid it has gone the way of the floppy disk and the dodo, and that it is no longer being made. Yes, that analogy works. I'm not sure it's the biggest thing in the world, to be honest, though. I mean, my interaction with typewriters is limited. I borrowed one last year for a fancy dress party. It was a Shakespeare-themed fancy dress party, and I went as a monkey with a typewriter, and all I can confirm is that they're very heavy. And whilst they have this wonderful, you know, antiquity about them, damn inconvenient to carry around, and you know, it's much easier using a laptop on a bus than it is a typewriter. I've tried both, and the typewriter is much heavier, much more cumbersome, I'm afraid. But it's still one of those things that people like in a sort of, you know, in its, as an oddity, as an antique, and yes, just as an interesting artifact of how we used to live. So that's it. Yes, I just wanted to register basically my my fondness of the typewriter. It's a limited fondness, I'll admit. It's not as though you know, I know all of them. You know, I can tell you a Royal typewriter from a Harrison typewriter. I don't even know if those two particular brands exist. But yes, I think it was just an interesting thing, mostly that they were still being made, you know, as part of a company's output, really. So, yes, very, very sad, I'm sure, for all typewriter enthusiasts out there. Anyway, that is all for today. I'll speak to you all tomorrow.